How many squats per day to build muscle? Did you know that a simple bodyweight exercise could completely transform your legs, glutes, and even your core? What if I told you that doing squats daily could help you build serious muscle, boost your strength, and even accelerate fat loss? But here's the real question: how many squats should you actually do per day to see maximum muscle growth? Is it 50? 100? Or just 10 with proper intensity? The truth may shock you. Stay with me until the end, because today, we're uncovering the science-backed answer to this question and revealing a complete guide to making squats your ultimate muscle-building weapon. The squat, the king of all exercises. Before we break down the perfect squat routine, let's take a moment to appreciate why the squat is considered the king of all exercises. Squats don't just work your legs, they target multiple muscle groups at once. Your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves all get activated, but that's just the beginning. Squats also engage your lower back, core, and stabilizing muscles, making it a full-body workout in disguise. And let's not forget the effect of squats on your metabolism. When you perform squats, your body releases powerful anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, which play a crucial role in muscle growth. That's why professional athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts all swear by squats as one of the most effective exercises for building lower body strength and mass. Busting the squat myth. But here's the thing: doing 100 squats every day might not be the most efficient way to build muscle. You might think that the more squats you do, the bigger and stronger your legs will get, right? Well, not exactly. In fact, too many squats without proper recovery can actually slow down muscle growth and even lead to overuse injuries. So, what's the real key to building muscle with squats? It's all about intensity, volume, and recovery. How many squats should you do per day? Now, let's get to the main question: how many squats should you actually do per day to maximize muscle growth? The answer depends on several factors, including your fitness level, training intensity, and your ultimate goal. For beginners, performing 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps with proper form is enough to stimulate muscle growth without overloading your joints. If you're using just your body weight, aim for 50 to 100 squats per day spread across multiple sets. For intermediate lifters, incorporating weighted squats is essential. Doing 3 to 5 sets of 8 to 12 reps with heavy resistance will maximize muscle hypertrophy. In this case, doing squats every single day is not ideal. Your muscles need at least 48 hours to recover before your next intense squat session. For advanced lifters, high-intensity training with progressive overload is the key. 3 to 6 sets of 4 to 8 reps with heavy weights, performed 2 to 3 times per week, is ideal for maximizing strength and size. The biggest mistake people make with squats. Here's where most people go wrong. They focus only on the number of squats instead of the quality of their reps. Doing hundreds of half-representative squats won't give you the results you're looking for. In fact, it could do more harm than good. The secret lies in full range of motion, controlled movement, and proper form. When you squat, make sure you're going deep enough. Your thighs should be at least parallel to the ground or lower. Keep your chest up, engage your core, and push through your heels as you rise. If you're rushing through your squats just to hit a high number, you're missing out on real muscle growth. The power of progressive overload: if you want to keep building muscle, you need to increase resistance over time. This is called progressive overload, and it's the golden rule of muscle growth. Your muscles adapt to stress, so if you keep doing the same number of squats at the same intensity, your progress will stall. To avoid hitting a plateau, try one of these methods. 1. Increase the weight, use dumbbells, barbells, or resistance bands. 2. Increase the reps, but only if you can maintain good form. 3. Slow down the tempo. Time under tension forces your muscles to work harder. 4. Add squat variations, like jump squats, Bulgarian split squats, or pistol squats. The recovery secret that most people ignore: You might think that training harder is the key to muscle growth, but here's a secret. Muscles don't grow while you exercise. They grow while you rest. If you're squatting every day without proper recovery, your muscles won't have enough time to repair and rebuild. This can lead to muscle fatigue, joint pain, and even decreased performance. So, what's the best approach? If you're doing bodyweight squats, you can train daily, but listen to your body and avoid overtraining. If you're lifting heavy weights, aim for 2 to 3 squat sessions per week and allow at least 48 hours of rest between sessions. The best squat variations for muscle growth. If you want to take your results to the next level, don't just stick to basic squats. Incorporate different variations to target your muscles in new ways. 1. Back squats, the ultimate leg builder, perfect for strength and size. 2. Front squats, targets the quads and core more intensely. 3. Bulgarian split squats, great for balance and unilateral strength. 4. Jump squats, boosts explosiveness and endurance. 5. Sumo squats, places more emphasis on the inner thighs and glutes. Why squats are more than just a leg exercise. Squats don't just build muscle. They improve mobility, posture, and overall athleticism. Strong legs make everyday activities easier, from climbing stairs to sprinting. Squats also enhance core strength, reducing the risk of lower back pain and injuries. But the biggest benefit? Squats boost your metabolism, helping you burn fat while building lean muscle. So if you want to look stronger, feel stronger, and move better, squats should be a staple in your workout routine. The final blueprint for maximum gains. So, how many squats per day should you do to build muscle? Let's break it down. 1. If you're a beginner, start with 50 to 100 bodyweight squats per day. 2. If you're intermediate, train 2 to 3 times per week with weights, aiming for 3 to 5 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 3. If you're advanced, go heavy, focus on progressive overload, and squat 2 to 3 times per week with 4 to 8 reps per set. Most importantly, prioritize recovery, maintain proper form, and stay consistent. Squats are powerful, but they only work if you do them right. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more fitness tips. And don't forget, your fitness journey is in your hands, so start squatting and watch your strength grow. See you in the next video.